Hello student, for standard maths topic number 5 subtraction, the subtopic 5.5 estimating the difference. Previous videos I teach you estimation numbers in the addition topic. All of you remember? Yes or no? Okay. Now see here in difference how to estimate. How do you estimate? Two example I teach you. Here see here one example. 66 and 23. 66 and 23. 66 rounded of 2. Which number rounded of 2? See, 66, 2 digit number this one. Ones and tens. You want here rounded tens. That time you see the ones number. This is a before coming the 5 after come 6 is a before coming after come after. So 66 rounded up to 70. Rounded up to 70. And 23 rounded up to which number? Rounded down to. Why you down right here? Because ones have 3 and 3 is a before coming up to the 5. So 23 is a rounded down to the 20. So estimate difference. Estimated difference is equal to 70 minus 20. 0 minus 0, 0, 7 minus 2, how many is there? 5. 50. Understand? And actual difference what? We want here actual difference also. Actual difference. 66 minus 23. 6 minus 3, 3. 6 minus 2, 4. 43. 43. Understand? Now, all of you understand now? After 5, ones place have where a 2 digit number, that time you see the ones place. And ones place have after 5's number, that time you write rounded to the next tens number right there. And ones place have before 5, that time you write there rounded down to before tens number. Write there estimate difference and actual difference. Now I teach you 3 digit numbers 529 and 378. 378. 529 rounded down here up to C. This is a 3 digit number. That time you see there second digit numbers means tens place. Tens place have which number? 2. 2 is coming on before 5. So write there rounded down to 500 before hundreds number. Okay, not after 100 number. And next one 378 rounded down to a of 2. 7 is there. 7 is a coming on after 5. Right there rounded of 2. 400. Understand? Write their next 100 number. Their estimate value, estimated difference is equal to 500 minus 400 is equal to 100. And actual difference, what is their actual difference? 529 minus 378, 9 minus 8 1, 2 minus 7 is possible, no, take carry, 12 minus 7 5, and 4 minus 3 1, 151 is a actual difference, actual difference. Next one, estimate the difference on thousands places. See here one example, 4345 and 2799. 4345 rounded down to up to C. Here is a 4-digit number. You see here 100 place. 100 place I have 3. 3 is the before coming the 5. Right there rounded down to 2000, 4000. Sorry, here is 4000 now. So 4000. 2799 rounded off to y. 100 place have 700. So you write there 1000 next number. Estimated difference is equal to 4000 minus 3000 is equal to 1000. Write their actual difference. Actual difference $4,345 minus 2,799. 5 minus 9 is possible? No, take carry. 15 minus 9, 6. 3 minus 9 is possible? No, take carry 1. 13 minus 9, 4. Here is a 2. Take carry. 12 minus 7, 5. And here is a 3. 3 minus 2, 1. Understand? All of you understand now how to do estimate the difference? Now open your textbook. See, first one question. Rounded up to nearest tens. Estimate the difference. Solve in your notebook. Open your notebook. Write their topic name. Then write page number 86. Page number 86. Question number first. Rounded up to the nearest tens and estimate the difference. Solve in your notebook. Write the question. Then write first one. Okay, then write first one. What you do here? First one question what? 69 and 34. 69 and 34. 69 rounded off to. Why off to? Ones have after 5 is number 70 and 34 rounded down to 30. Estimate difference. Estimated difference is equal to 70 minus 30 is equal to 40, and here actual difference what? 69 minus 34. 9 minus 4 5. 6 minus 3 6 minus 3 3. 35. Understand? B1 75 and 19. 75 rounded off to 5, and after 5's number come to the next tens number, and 19 also rounded off to 20. Here estimate difference, estimated difference is equal to 80 minus 20 60, and actual difference 75 minus 19. 5 minus 9 is possible? No. 15 minus 9 6, and 6 minus 1 5. 56. Understand? C and D is your homework. Now question number 2, write in your notebook. Okay, rounded off to nearest hundreds, estimate difference, and solve in your notebook. Write that question. First one, 317 and 171. 317 rounded down to, why down to? See, tens have 1, so rounded down to 300, and 171 rounded off to 200, and here estimate difference, estimated difference 300 minus 200 is equal to 100, and actual difference is equal to 317 minus 171. 7 minus 1 6. 11 minus 7 is equal to 4, and 2 minus 1 146. This is the actual difference. Understand? B1 639 and 281. 639 rounded down to, why down to? See, tens have 3 is before coming the 5, so rounded down to. 281 rounded off to, is equal to 300. Estimated difference is equal to 600 minus 300 is equal to 300. Actual difference 639 minus 281. 9 minus 1 8. 13 minus 8, 5. 5 minus 2, 3. This is the actual difference. Question number 3. Rounded off to nearest thousand and estimate difference, solve in your notebook. Question number 2, C and D is your homework. A1 6235, 2515. Here 6235 rounded down to y down to see 100 place at 2. 2 is before coming the 5. So write there rounded down to 6000 and 2515 rounded off to 3000. Why right here 3000? See 100 place a 5. 5 and after 5 is coming number, you write there rounded off to. Okay. Now estimate difference. Estimated difference is equal to 6000 minus 3000 is equal to 3000 and write there actual difference 6235 minus 2515. 5 minus 5 0, 3 minus 2 3 minus 1 2, 2 minus 5 is possible, no, carry 1. 12 minus 5 7, 5 minus 2 3, 3720. Understand? Now B and C is your homework. B and C is your homework. 5.6 subtraction words problem. Words problem. Words problem have which word coming? That time you do the subtraction. How many more? How many left? How many more? How many left? Difference. This word coming, that time you do the subtraction. Okay. Open your textbook. Write their question. Read each word's problem, solve with a statement in your notebook. Then write first one. This question write in your notebook also. Okay. Now see. 14,531 liters of orange juice was extracted at a factory, but 11,855 of juice was packed. How many liters was wasted due to the spillage? How many liters? How many more? How many left? How many liters was wasted due to the spillage? That time what you do? Here you also do the subtraction. Okay, now write 14,531 liter orange juice extracted, and there minus 11,855 liter orange juice in a packet. Juice in a packet. How many there? Waste. Okay. 1 minus 5 is possible? No. Take carry from next number. 11 minus 5, 6. 2 minus 5 is not possible. Take carry. 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5. How many is there? 7. 4 minus 8 is not possible. Take carry. 14 minus 8. 6. 3 minus 1. 2. 1 minus 1. 0. 2676 liter orange juice to spillage. Write in their word. 2676 liter was wasted due to spillage. Okay. Understand? Now B1. 63,400 coconut were collected from tree on a Sunday and 59,684 coconut were sold in the same day. The remaining coconut were sold on Monday. How many coconuts were sold on Monday? What you do? Here we do the subtraction. They are given you total coconuts. Total of coconut minus 59,684 sold coconut. Sold coconuts. Okay. Now what you want here? Unsold coconuts. 0 minus 4 is not possible. You take carry from next number. Ten minus 4, 6. 9 minus 8, 1. 3 minus 6 is possible? No. Take carry. 13 minus 6, 7. 2 minus 9 is not possible. Take carry. 12 minus 9, 3. 5 minus 5, 3. 3,716 coconut Monday sold on Monday. Coconut sold on Monday. 3,716 coconut were sold on Monday. Understand? Next one. Anil had collected 29,947 fruits on Tuesday and Wednesday he sold 25,878 fruits. How many fruits were left unsold? What you do? 29,947 minus 25,878. Understand? And write their answer. Okay. That one also you do. D1. First write the question. Anil, the fruit store owner, issued of 1,673 to Mishra and he issued of 5,280 bills to Mr. Shetty and 6,479 bills to the Mr. Shah. What you do here? Here you do the First, how many more bills issued to Mr. Shetty than Mr. Misra? I will also write question then solve. Okay. How many more bills were issued a Mr. Shetty's? Where is Mr. Shetty's? 5280. And Mishra's bill 1673. Right there 5280. This is bill for bill Mr. Shetty minus Mishra's how many? 1673. Bill for a Mishra. Right there 10 minus 3 7, 7 minus 7 0, 12 minus 6 6, 4 minus 1 3. They write in word. They write in word. What write in word? See here. How many more bill? 3607 rupees more bills issued to Mr. Shetty than Mr. Mishra. Okay, next, second one. Write their question. Second one question. How many less were bill issued to Mishra and Mr. Shah? Mr. Shah. Right there 6479 bill for a Mr. Shah minus 1673 bill to Mrs. Mishra. Nine minus 3 6, 7 minus 7 0, 14 5, 14 minus 6 8, 5 minus 1 4. Right there rupees 4806 less bill were issued to Mrs. Mishra than Mr. Shah. Understand? All of you understand now? Okay. Now 5.7 combination of addition and subtraction. Combination of addition and subtraction. Add and subtract. Okay. Open your textbook and here write the question, simplify and solve in your notebook. When this type question coming na, that time what you do? First you solve the bracket. Here it's not bracket. First one question we solve 3000 plus 2000, 3000, sorry 30,000 I write, plus 2000 is equal to 5000. Then step 2, what? 5000 minus 1000 is equal to 4000. Understand? How do we do? Write their answer also. 3000 plus 2000 minus 1000 is equal to 4000. This is the first one. Second one, 4500 plus 3500 plus 5500. What you do? 4500 plus 3500. 0 0 5 plus 5 10, carry 1, 5 3 8, 8000. 8000 minus 5500. 0 0 10, 10 minus 5 5, 7 minus 5 2500. Write their answer 2500. C1. See, here is a bracket. 7214 minus 2174 plus 6819. What you do here first? This type of question coming in the paper, that time you do the first solve bracket. 7214 minus 2174. 4 minus 4 0. 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7 4. 1 minus 1 0. 5040. 5040 plus 6890. 9 plus 4. 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. 13 carry 1. 1 plus 8 9. 11. 11,930. 11,930. Understand how to do? D1. 27,000 minus 11,240 plus 10,370. What you do first here? Here you first do solve the bracket. 11,240 plus 10,370. 0. 4 minus 7 11. Carry 1. 3 plus 3 6 1. Now 27,000 minus 11,610. 0 minus 0 0. 10 10 9 6. 10 minus 1 9. 9 minus 6 3. 6 minus 1 5. 2 minus 1. You got here answer 15,390. Okay. E and F is your homework. E and F is your also homework. Now see in your notebook. See in your notebook. Greatest 5-digit number. Greatest 5-digit number. Which is the greatest 5-digit number? 99,999. And smallest 4-digit number? 1000. You do the first this one solve and minus there 9,999. You solve this one. Okay. Smallest 6-digit number 1 lakh and smallest 5-digit number 10,000 plus greatest 6-digit number 9,99,999. Understand? This one also you solve. Okay. Today subtraction topic is completed here. Today's homework page number 86 and 87 complete there. Okay. Thank you.